Alright everybody, here is my Generation UCAN iced tea mix recipe. Pay attention, super complicated. First, we're going to start with water. That's about 2 quarts or so. Then I use Wegman's black tea, 2 tea bags, 1 lemon lime UCAN mix, and I put it all together like this. Are you coming to help?
What are you doing?
I'm making iced tea.
That isn't that complicated.
No.
Is
that why you were saying I was being sarcastic because I said it was super complicated? Yeah. I'm a little sarcastic. There you go. After a day, I'll pull out the tea bags. That's it. The end result looks like. I highly recommend not squeezing the tea bags too hard or you'll get those little floaties way down there.
Let me see.
See that brown stuff in the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's iced tea. Or tea.